outstanding achievement, participated. What is this achievement? Okay, not completed. Achievement, outstanding achievement. So you need to be very sure what exactly is outstanding achievement. What have been your 2 outstanding achievements?
Sir, in academics, in 10th I have cleared the BYJU'S. In Delhi I have cleared the BYJU'S. It was an entrance test for scholarship and only 2 people in my whole school qualified for that. So that was my achievement in class 10th. And sir, in 12th I was preparing for JEE. So I could not have, I did not prepare very much for that.
Outstanding achievement इतना कॉलम होता है.
हाँ तो सर उसमें 2-3 words. सर 10th में फिर हुए scholarship test में.
BYJU'S doesn't have a very good standing today.
No sir, but sir it's not. And I also qualified for NTSC like stage 1. NTSC stage 1 was also like I cleared for that, so that was also an outstanding achievement.
Percentage in 10th?
So those are not very much like good. So that's not outstanding achievement. Like I did not top in my school.
Percentage?
So like 84 and 12, so 80-82.
आप लोगों ने स्टोरी सुनी है? ठीक है. What do you make of this? You are trying to project, a little underachievement. I'll not say underachievement, but an ordinary achievement into something high profile. BYJU'S, national level, Delhi, 2nd rank, NTSC, 2nd stage. Is it required to mention this?
So
that is one. Academics में what is it that you have excelled? Okay, IIT, JEE अपने exam दिए. What was your rank? Percentile?
So percentile was it was like 87 or something like that, and rank was approximately.
How many attempts?
One sir.
One only?
Yeah.
Why only one?
So I do not think that I could, it was a corona year, so whatever college that I thought that I would be getting, and I would be continuing my college journey in front, and I would be giving another ND attempts. And
how many ND attempts?
Sir, I have given 3 ND attempts.
Qualified how many?
So qualified all of them, and appeared for 1 technical army and technical navy.
Okay, now things are falling in place a little bit, right? Pasina aage tumhe Okay, this is what happens. So you need to be, throw a pole ke bol. While you may feel good about it, that's absolutely fine. But whether you need to mention this in the PIQ, that is your call. Then games and sports, you mentioned a lot of games and a lot of achievements. Tell me anything.
So, in badminton, I played for my school team in zonals, and in football also I played for under 14, and our team got the first prize. And in college level, I have played badminton and football again in the university level, like GGS IPU games. It's my university GGS IPU games. So in there also we won 2nd positions and 3rd positions respectively.
You can write some of these, but I use all this thing rather than writing there. You can speak about it in brief. Because see, when I see this, I am not only seeing BYJU'S, right? BYJU'S is a commercial.
क्लास में 1-2 बंदों ने किया क्वालिफाई, इस लेवल से मेरे को लगा कि ठीक है.
Exactly. Right? हम तो में गाना रहे. 1-2 बंदों ने दिया था तो उसमें नंबर आ गया.
नहीं सर, क्लास में बहुत लोगों का IIT वगैरह में सिलेक्शन हुआ, लेकिन तो मतलब सर मेरे को लगा
I'm clarifying. Right? So see things in perspective. Whether it will hold water or not, it will cut ice or not. Right? So, it is better to be moderate. Say, I have been able to balance my academics and game sports very well. Academics I have done this, games and sports I have done this. That is a better way of saying rather than highlighting here also, there also, pata laga kuch uska result nahi nikla.